Do you feel like you're drowning in tech news? Every day, thousands of new AI tools, frameworks, and updates are released. It is impossible to read it all. You end up missing the big breakthroughs because you're too busy filtering out the noise. But what if you had a tireless assistant, someone who reads everything for you and only tells you what matters? Welcome to the world of AI agents. Unlike a simple chatbot that waits for you to type, an agent can take action on its own. Think of it as a digital intern. You give it a goal, and it works in the background to achieve it. Today, we're building an agent with one specific goal: finding the best top tech news automatically, just for you. To do this, we'll need three things: a news source, a filtering brain, and a delivery method. Let's build it step by step. Step 1 is defining the goal. We need to tell our agent exactly what we care about so it knows what to look for. Step 2, fetching data. Our agent connects to RSS feeds and APIs to pull in the latest headlines from across the web. At this stage, it's just raw data. Lots of noise, lots of duplicates. That's where the AI comes in. Step 3 is the magic: filtering. We use an LLM to analyze each title and summary against our interests. Once it filters the gold from the noise, the agent summarizes the key points. No fluff, just facts. The agent packages the insights and delivers them directly to you. You get a clean morning briefing. Why does this matter? Because your time is your most valuable asset. An agent lets you scale your learning. By building this simple agent, you automate the boring stuff and stay ahead of the curve effortlessly. Give it a try, and don't forget to subscribe and hit like.